I'm at Wimbledon Park. Across me is Centre Court, if you can see that. No, you can't, it's too far. But I'm trying to ask a question to the Swan family. Hi there, do you think Roger Federer will win his 7th Wimbledon crown? If you think he will, take your head out of the water. He does take his head out of the water. In fact, he's dipping it again and again. I'm not sure. Well, if you think Federer is going to win, that's right, wiggle your ass if he's going to win. But, alright, okay, dip your head in water 7 times if you think he's going to win. Starting now, okay? That's 1. 2. Good. 3. 4. 5. 6. Oh, come on. Yeah, good. 6. And 1 more. Let's have it for Roger Federer, 7th Wimbledon title at the SW19, and there it is, a Centre Court. Even as I speak, Roger Federer is battling Julien Benneteau of France. He lost the first set. I expect him to come back and take the next 3. But Mr. Swan here has delivered his verdict, and it's goodbye from the Swan family, which is having its supper.